Today we are sharing our best lemon pound cake recipe. Start with 2 lemons. You're going to need the rind and juice of 1 lemon for the batter, and the second lemon is going to be used for after the cake is out of the oven. And from that lemon, reserve 1.5 tablespoons for the glaze. Okay, for the batter, start with 1/2 cup of room temperature butter. Add to that 1 cup of sugar and mix together for about 2 minutes. Next, add in 1 egg and combine. And then the next egg. Now you're going to want to beat the batter until it looks nice and creamy. Just like this. Next, you will need some buttermilk. And if you don't have any buttermilk, we have a really great video on how to make your own buttermilk at home, and we'll leave that link in the description below. Take 1/2 cup of buttermilk, add your lemon zest and lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and mix that together and set aside for a sec. Take 1.5 cups of sifted flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and give that a quick mix. Take the buttermilk mixture and pour half into the batter and mix. Then add half the flour mixture and mix just until incorporated. Then take the rest of the buttermilk mixture and mix again. Then the rest of the flour mixture. And stir that up just until it's incorporated. You don't want to overmix that. And while I'm mixing this here, we just want to let you know that we appreciate all of our subscribers. And if you're new here and like our content, hit the subscribe button to see more recipes like this. Now that goes into a greased bread dish. I just greased it with some butter. And that's going to bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees. And you can check to see if it's ready at about 25 minutes. It's ready when a toothpick comes out clean. While the cake is still warm, spoon over the lemon juice onto it and let that cool. And now for the glaze. And just pour that onto the top of your cake. And that looks so good, you guys. If you do try this recipe, let us know in the comments how it worked out for you. Till next time, have a yummy day, everyone.